neza
hoteli cabbage
yes
wata ibintu bishatu hari ibintu bishatu bina yesasi za cabbage amahorege yampogoro uko akagamba then ikindi gari amarwa agar black wagamanya utagamba izina agar black ino bucupa bugufu
ingamanya
ago ngare kuza gasi
ngoje munda aza muzuruzi nagakunda
muzuruzi natakufomfo zorujumu hati twagamba kabwe ukomanya kono bagweta moto cottages
yes
marakatete hariya uwaringa kace aharugenda igura hariko buraro burungi reba gadezo mutindo wifi yabusha bakwenda cyo kunyana mu bamuhanikira amaguru mu n'abakundwa banyu muciringire naho hari moto cottages konko bya leta moto yaniza ko leta muriro cottages abo kuba ebende byo gukora sente
tugende tuzacoto
hari katetaho
Kora
yes ese byabo no tumushanje mwenda 9 10
yes
endijo no tumushanje no 8 noti 2 shanje ni 3 noti emwe no kamana ba moto booking kare kote je obyana
yes ikikumva kuterese mu kahise
twinakagwa akakagwe ni hano umushija bamutera
barete
na ba ofisa abo bahiriza pika pezi zamane zo mirembe zavurumura aha
abo kwevuga tukabatira
Kampala bakaba bamugambye ngo sebo anytime noza kuba transferred
yes
kandi waza ku transfer ngakurwa hamurumo ebyo kosigire nyuma byo nano bisigo mu office otine cyo kwasero
bashije
at for example kakasubune kasigiro bakuyo waza kurwa waza korra nga Kampala
yes
ejo ni example yenyine iki akano yaniwe na mucyapika pye cyangu cya cye kikacaza fode kikirwa ningashi bakwindwa kuteka bari ebyo ko wasiga mu office uri kwijana hakutandikira
seven byona nimbisiga
akabaina mu mabanja aina mo wa nanka wa illegal works
omuntu bwo busima
wa illegal receipts ubu
omuntu bwo busima
tuba mu time yo kugira ngo akore iki
ngo ayitereze omuntu bwa busoti
abo consiring abanje abantu ba auditor Kampala hello
yes
mwine kasigire ntukwenda izaho naho
with immediate effect
ntukwenda shaha 11 zo mwabaziyo ahagwe nshonga zitari zimwe na zimwe ojo gire cyo washobora
ati amanyango ine motoka kandi iri munamajito
no rebyo rigenda byado twomwe no bari bere online ne bare watayipinga zinga ibyo ati audit ni jerikare taro audit umuntu arakunze kujibugana
bituba audit no jangu baba nkamisha
yes nakacumuka green bino bucumu bwa red bakoragana na bulege bakakitara baju
audit abano wa green na red
ibara ko audit ngiro karishiro
gumwebiri
agata
nababa tango imwana ba audit abo tubangu
mushija agira mukabasha umutima gwe huba atanareba kuba tutuka atakwate kiruka acamba umugeri
yes
asimbura
speaker page bururu akisimbura
ngugwe masaka
vurumura
nguruka y'inyamataraririro
yes abo bwira
abo bwoba za arisa zitanga kutemba pressure
mwangu no ine muka pressure zora munamisho
avuga motoka speed ngugwe omakona ga marongo akana heta
left right
na heta kwa heta kono yo kubanza aheta kono ya kabiri egendiza ya nomuntu
akasatu
mwanura
hati yangu hino bakutomera
kwatomera umuntu amutomera atamanyira ngo yatemba pika penyuma akamutomera yamutomera namurengeraho motoka wagumiza amato umuntu namuhona
ore yarenga yastamenye mu pika
mbasa ko namutomera tiyarebe nyuma atwone ntamwita ahizuru
atobana mwita obantamwita
pressure yo murumu igiye kumutransferinga kumiha mu mutahandi
no kumweta juba
harimo na audit report harimo no kumenya ku verifying imite byaturi nakora bararya umuntu wamazima we naryaho icyo kifuba cyo za citybet zimurengere ibundura hariya ni kengoma umushati kunda honege report mukama ningashe audit mukama naza kwa yanyamba kano rero motoka zize bitongore watomera oyine kwirahi animwe the nearest checkpoint ya police ninga police post
kwa mob justice ne kora kubi
okareportinga otinyo cyabaho cyabe kine natomera muka ibindi zo gukora
twagakora bwanyuma
hati ngugumanya speed vurumura nearest police post kwa kaho
aho ina marongo
moko naga marongo yarenga ukacha atabantu bo munyambe natomera omuntu basako namusige nyuma antukonka mbwenu namutomera ko mununga atumukwate ebiko bishatu
yes
afande
just meme huta za sura
meme muzimene muhuta nyoka banze ko report zaje bandi kubi nya pressure zatemba agiye bunkeke ati nyoka
zora na misho pressure yetembere no sura
kwaba yaza garakato mutoka kwa fanda mwetu ati bitoko mundu ri nyuma na jwerera na no apika ape nyuma uri na bayi musyo mukono ati manyogo no wantomera ati yantomera
nizapechera atakimanyire yakabena nizapechera atakimanyire ati no yantomera ni hano
ogezera mpora
yo uko mtu kushona mpora yo gaita bara kutire byara mpora ninga nakatonyiza ibiri radio radio best press songs of Black Boy Tears agesho ngo baketa nshuna adachika 19 izarengo murisha ina kandi irakawariye hurra mwine Black Boy. I thought arama timikweta amukore beta Black Boy batakwiragura yo ganya rero noni we kwiragura
amazama sinturugumo yemwe
iniyeje nogamba ki yakuraho abafans bawe tugeno
abahuricu zabahaje banje nimba kuraho munonga sheshaka ubuzima washeshaje anga ayebazwe
that's right konga ko bakuze tugiye bakwese Black Boy Tears neri nagahago aga
bakanyita se chance ambro yego naga kubatizwa gukora ndesente Black Boy Tears
direct
yes
no jimuka
ishahize
Mokomoka
Rwampara Sorogando yeah.
But man, there's something about Rwampara mwine vibe mukureta. There's some energy that you guys bring on board. Yes. And I've also come to realize mwine ba artists vinji mnonga. And what does that mean for a region like this of Shanga and Mjoza abesho muzika?
Nechumugisha mnonga. Rwampara nsununje mnonga by the way. Abantu balonje batereki ne batine songa na
we'll talk about politics some other time.
Yeah.
So, for how long have you been singing?
Officially, business-wise, it's 2 years. Hey. 1.5 years, almost 2 years. Yeah.
Okay. So business-wise, you when you mahoka wanza wa.
You mahoka bibia kwaya kujo testing here and there.
Kwaya.
Yeah.
Do re mi, give me a do.
Ukosonga nota ntroka nyuma but kushiteka revya business.
Okay, so what I was trying to establish no kugirango nyuma abantu nabe turi kureba akakugira ati nyoka tukujya munkari mukito cha music but along the way now uraza tune z'abantu nanye natandika na eshongora but it appears you had a music ear from way back.
Yeah.
So were you able maybe to participate in common packages zo kweshongoreza abantu and stuff like that?
No, maybe in high school some days competitions and shows in industry music can't mukare before.
And so ekishingo cyawe cyo abandize kushoza nchi
shinabanza kamba chetano nshemezani yakani 6 ira muno
ahabwetu washizire mukuzo mu studio kuchikora icyo cyeshongora because it appears to me at that time tukujya gukora no chasing like the bag money bag
we know of course music ye kurumu you feel like you have to do it, you have to sing so ata chifuna muna mjenzi wawe ngai nitikeji awiro bamwita Mr. Fire timano manya so tukagesha muzaja ati tum studio
out of the blue.
You have the
Ukwenda kataboka ukaruma byeshongoro byawe.
Raro ufuso uti no handika charnasho mesi yo mbeta no handika music. Yeah, so twaje mfano manya tujize mu studio. Ibisho ndo manya arokushabarsa. Studio.
Imagine.
Twaje atakwechesha mbasheta no shemeza kiriyo. Yeah,
maybe it will be remastered someday which I'm not going to and how was the experience? Ukurejesha ngoro cyawe hanimanya at school aho wabirori abana ngo inejesha ngoro
manya first recording it is real magic no shoot no wazar works koza mazimagari ngo mushongozi uno takagire mu studio cyo rotoki natakumana studio kwekush so kama uri be surprised and be like kwekwane shit so inengeri yokora waba reborn.
Okay. So okurugaho obwashuze cyo ngoro hatu wabanza waza undercover, was it because maybe of school kubanza waje ngo shome and n'ibindi birikebyo up when you again went back to the studio? I would like to know what transpired in between.
Ati obwiro kuzo mu studio arimo bitabo kushoma hari kugero tomuka abazire ki so no botakagize bati musically I am settled. So ati kutwashizobwire bujuma twacumuze bitabo byaho mara business za ubumara. Of course ko umuntu have to look for you aho kugwa yinywa ko no bujyo tahani pabas. So that's nafasha music it is me. In fact music can't do that in Nigeria.
Wow. Ika corona. Yagira ngiyo gayo liyo witisha.
Yeah, so iyo rumweyo.
Yeah.
You have to come on.
Okay. And how would you say the journey has been so far? Jimyaka ibiri almost 2 years nkuwangambira professional ukuchichesinga. How in pereza evaluation of the 2 years and you know what have you seen, what have you learned?
After signing in Owesam ebintu bikagenda byaterera because abantu bakama tu mutaruka inishitu cyurungi kandi batacura so after signing abantu bakampama tu abantu bankunda bayintegereza bamambaye kandi yes so bandira hamisho nama
urukuza kusigninga kwika kugira let me append my signature. Was that a very easy decision for you to make? Ninga okabanza wachiteka wala rochiteka no tekateka byo misho okuza kwika kusigninga Awesome Entertainment.
Okusigninga Awesome, it was a dream come true.
Yeah.
Because umuntu wena I never yagwana ndashira. Yato kusigninga Awesome, it's a big step in music in this industry. Yeah. So chikanshyemeza mnonga tindagenda bafiteka when it came
kanota signature abrineza ngo mulishaha inaction zababere nitereza ngo musha ina izakasheshe kedi zoba. Good morning program na Humza. We're still in the first hour of this show. Kanata is a black boy tears real name Ambrose Sechanzi konkagaru kuronde sentence black boy tears. And one thing I've loved about him nokujam indeed is black like myself. Why?
Yeah.
Why did you choose that name meanwhile?
Black boy. In fact,
manyana awazakanga loka story aho yamani
black boy rikija hokare before being serious in industry. Then tears unity yakare musically kani ndukunda. Yoka black boy kani kora on sample table ndukunda kuzora black fool. So muntu gaza black boy jonte mpira black boy pachu. Ati bona wana wana black boy.
Wale alianza hoji.
Na unaanza kuryanga. Bari njema kandi ikize nakanaro yeah so
that means
kandi atutwagire kuza kujya ngo amusigning kandi akwenda garte kujya ngo nari nyuma nari haso mkuya ati no
this is who you are.
Yes.
I think you're not about to bleach kujokunda abiri abana na bleaching anore umuntu wa bintu manye okuka ni coga birwe yabintu iragura obugano kokana uri coga birwe yaza kugambira izine rinde nebikuzabuza. So if you have any question cyo kwenda kubuza Black Boy Cheers rabyo butuma bwa WhatsApp number note mshanje mkaga 3 mshanje na mwenda atatu na mshanju 15. We already have some messages coming through. Bright okusaidiza mushasha muri woho yebare you're welcoming us Gadson niwe ninkureba munese bumanzi brother Moses n'abandi mwena isimu already yatandikire ku ringing and imbare mwene mutera. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to take a short break turagaruke all the questions you have for Black Boy Tears, plus you get an opportunity kura David Bishongorobye and what his plans are for the future. Igana katonyi zibiri radio so the best. Come on, do stay with us. To come.
Majenza kile kukurana kakakashe Kabagambe Gideon Manyarukundo mazimba tebeze atimanyire umugwa kunzure Majenza kile kukurana kakakashe Kabagambe Gideon Manyarukundo mazimba tebeze.
Do you sing about things because you experience them? Ninga just you know to be. Has actually love been medicine to you? Ninga just no kwandika konga.
Ubuzima rukundo n'ikintu cyangwa munonga. It's even beyond kuba umbazi.
So that means there's a certain Mrs. Black girl.
Shimyaka kajisiya kare jo. Ndimyaka kajisiya kare so. Ubuzima rabu yutekaba.
So mbona ariyo madam muzugemo? And mana beshoboze bachara kukichereza baba ryaba bintu yo madamu, and when I ask them they start beating around the bush and baba riyo konkambwe nu. So it's on record in yo madam.
Yes.
Yakwire baby ninga it's still in relationship. I can really press that when it comes to that line.
To be our industry. One chance to be a cigar, but she's there. So young when you have akatubaronde. No katumaronde. So that's the privacy. Yeah, but she's there.
So that means no kunda kujira ngo separating abokuba. We have seen artists hano mu Uganda and even beyond abaruko be pushing a brand kon their families you will never get to know anything about it.
Because family no hunting anytime wasakuna up the industry and you usange family bakora
kana harabanda bo kushanga bo their families are part of
yes.
of the entire actors.
That's also a strategy, but what's the end of that?
Yeah. So no level to the ambo.
Yeah.
Tell me about this song, how it came up and stuff.
Nchizere, I had Zag in studio. To can't sampling like music rumrieji so some beat played. To actually beat kayano. That we can create. So Zag is good at piano.
Yeah.
Yatera piano. Twatera ka chant kache. We came up with words. To America. So after like some 2 or 3 days in Ijanya Kazagataro, I natch kora na handi. So the keys are actually said, yeah, interesting. Teaching will choose they have to complete it. So to our program, touch kora na ikunize na shanga zagi niya baterizim.
Mwali kora hit.
Chava buzuma.
Okay. Most of the music no jandikira ningana n'abandi bakwandikira.
But I like engaging other people because two heads are better than one. Yeah. You can create your own sketch which take out, but you be like no churota.
Yeah, so no hurana nabandi kubakora na
yes.
Yes. Do you have any favorites of all of your songs in amacho kukunda?
Song has been kind of bukunda. Eshunkesha bashana abantu bakunda. Abantu bakakunda omwenjenje. Okutorana.
Yeah.
Ndebe nanchizere bagipikinge. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, I think my favorite of Nchizere na Akagwe.
Yeah. Thank you very much.
Kandi ndoreba na BT what the narrative has been music ya Uganda no kugira ngo Uganda baziti dandari started dandari toka tera chishongoro chikakwata yo and all that. You share your thoughts about that.
Music is a language. So tokwasa kugira ngo yogumeno gamba n'abantu bakuzana meno gamba because music hamwe eba therapy abantu. Abashishwa yati Shongwe cyane because no kuye mu comments za Shongwe ejo. Nandika paragraph yo nakushongora Shongwe. Yeah, Shongwe ubuzima So one okora music you have to cater for all categories of people.
Yeah.
N'abantu abagwira umaravu yesterday, n'abantu abarira basinzire, n'abantu abarira ibintu nk'ibizu.
Bamitima jakaro.
Yes, n'abantu abari mbara. So you have to cater for all.
Yes.
Gitatu abakamba hereza iki, abakamba hereza iki. Kugira ngo ubone bafite.
Okay.